Let us now consider Brown ring test. This Brown ring test we carry minus ion means nitrate ion NO3 minus. It can be from AgNO3, it can be from NaNO3, HNO3. This NO3 minus ion is nitrate ion. One more ion of nitrogen, NO2 minus, that is nitrite ion. Don't confuse. And as we can find the oxidation number from compound, also from ion, HNO3 we have considered. If even HNO3 dissolved in water, H plus and NO3 minus ion, nitric acid also gives NO3 minus ion, means it makes us clear that the oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrate ion is plus 5. That should be first known to us. And compound containing nitrate ion, whether nitrate group, nitrate ion is present in the sample while carrying out test, what we do is that we carry out a test which we call it as Brown ring test. Let us consider that. For that, what we do is that Brown ring test. For that, ferrous sulfate FeSO4 means ferrous Fe plus 2 in acidic condition. In acidic condition means FeSO4 plus concentrated H2SO4, this mixture, and the sample, if it contains nitrate group, considering that it contains, what will happen? Converts nitrate group into NO, nitric oxide. So, chemistry should be studied in bits, basics, and then all the various separately studied bits or chemistry basics should be collected, gathered, should be used together. So, ferrous in presence of acidic, this H plus ion comes from concentrated H2SO4. That much memory first you should use, that nitrate ion changes to nitric oxide, means plus 5 oxidation number changes to plus 2. So, this is plus 5 oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrate ion changes to plus 2, means decrease in oxidation number by 3. Now, since there is decrease in oxidation number, there should be some species which undergoes increase in oxidation number. If nitrogen has gained electrons, one nitrate group with plus 5 means one nitrogen of plus 5 converts into nitrogen in NO with plus 2 oxidation number, means one nitrogen atom accepts 3 electrons. So, there should be some which makes available 3 electrons. Ferrous under these conditions get converted into ferric. So, this is increase in oxidation number, it releases electron, this one gains electron. So, to balance electronically, for one nitrate, it accepts one nitrate getting converted into NO, it accepts 3 electrons. One ferrous changing into ferric, this is ferric plus 3. Such 3 should be used. If 3 ferrous change to ferric, total increase increase in oxidation number equal to 3. So for one nitrate group, 3 ferrous ions are required. First, this much should be known, remaining water. Okay. And now ferric ions. Actually ferric ions in water have tendency to form 6 coordinate covalent bonds. Coordination number, this Cn stands for coordination number. Ferric ions have tendency to form 6 coordinate covalent bonds. Here, although it is concentrated, means required amount of water is present. We have studied water molecule, 2 lone pairs on oxygen are present, and out of 2 lone pairs, 1 lone pair of electrons on oxygen and empty orbital of ferric, shearing will take place. I have shown in this fashion. Such 6 coordinate covalent bonds are formed. Ferric plus 3 has tendency to form 6 coordinate covalent bonds, means I have shown, and 1 molecule of water at a time, out of 2, 1 lone pair makes available and it is shared. Such 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 6 coordinate covalent bonds are formed. In short, it is normally written in this fashion. I will show it here. Fe this complex. Now in aqueous solution, plus 3 ferric, Fe plus 3 ferric ion has tendency to present in this form. So it is, although I have written ferric, since concentrated H2SO4 is there, so although small amount water is present and therefore ferric will be present in this fashion. So let me write it that in short, water is a neutral molecule. As per coordination chemistry, it is called as ligand. This ferric complex, hexaquo ferric complex, and NO which is formed, nitric oxide, it has a lone pair, also a single electron is present. This lone pair of NO, lone pair on nitrogen of NO, also have tendency to form such type of coordinate covalent bonds. The moment NO, nitric oxide, is formed, out of 6 water molecules, 1 water molecule is replaced by NO, giving rise to, what happens is this, let me write it here. So 5 coordinate covalent bonds are there. 1 water molecule will be replaced, I can show it. 1 water molecule gets replaced and what we get is this. So in short, let me write it in this fashion. This complex changes to this one. It has brown color. So if this brown color is seen during the test, it automatically means that such type of complex is formed. Such type of complex is formed, it automatically means that 1 molecule of water is replaced by NO, and this is possible only when ferrous ion in acidic condition converts nitrate ion into nitric oxide. Therefore, if we think in reverse way, it confirms that nitrate ion, NO3 minus 1 ion is present. Then and then only in the first step NO formation takes place, and this formed NO, which has a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, will convert the complex of ferric ion into another complex, giving rise to brown color, and it forms a ring in the test tube, and therefore it is called as brown ring test. And this is a confirmatory test for nitrate ion.